Okay, this ditch here which drains the farmland in this area, I suddenly notice is growing these orange bodies in the water. Now this is fairly close to where I showed you the huge 17-meter slime mold previously, orange in color as these are. But these are actually orange iridescent slime molds growing here. And they're kind of worrisome to me. This does not directly lead into our water supply, but is used to irrigate the farms, does drain into major rivers in our province, and as such could lead to a human exposure. Now this is also drained to float the cranberries in the fall, but I didn't notice any of this in the fall. This was after that, but a similar ditch such as this did have the largest slime mold, yellow slime mold that I've ever seen. Anyway, this, if you add it all up, is much larger. This whole ditch is composed of it, floating on the top. And then if you look on the banks, it's also growing on the bank. That's probably where it started. See, the bank is colored yellow like this slime mold. And there's sheets of slime mold. Each of these is probably one cell in size. Very unique organisms.